Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Cricut Heart, and I'm back with another project share. Today I'm sharing some tags that I made with some CC Designs stamps. So let me show you everything that I used to make my tags. First, I used this Bella Boulevard Popsicles and Pandas. It's a 6x8 paper pad. Really cute. I like the popsicles and the watermelons. The flamingos are really fun, so really cute. And then I also used for one of them this die, or not die, this punch. This is a Paper Studio tag punch. So you can make your tag as long as you want. The width has to be one of these widths in order for it to really work for you. So you can make 1.5, 2-inch, and 2.5-inch wide tags, but they can be as long as you want. I used this die. This is called Fruit Salad by Spellbinders. It makes like an orange or lemon, a watermelon, a strawberry. So those are the things that you can make with it. I used this Sunshine CC Designs, which is one of my favorites. And then I really love how this one colors up. This is Watermelon Abigail, and it's a red rubber. And then here are my tags. So the first tag is a standard manila tag. And I covered it with the watermelon paper. And then I used my grass die to make grass that I popped up. And then this is the fruit salad die right here. And then here is my watermelon Abigail all colored up. And then I just left it really simple. I know somewhere in my stamps I have some kind of a melon stamp that I could use for up here. So I didn't put a sentiment up here because I'm hoping that I'll run across that stamp set where I can put something to do with melons or watermelons or summer or something here. But otherwise, I just tied this ribbon up on top and just tied it off and just kind of kept it simple. In the back, of course, you could write a message and then you can just attach this to a gift, or this could be the card, however you want to do it. I like having them on hand, and I might even put this in my summer album. And then this one, what I did with this punch is I went ahead and I think my paper was, I want to say it was 8.5, and I cut it at 2.5 inches wide, and I went ahead and punched it, and I think I folded it at the 5 mark and just kind of trimmed it down here so that it gave me an opening, and then just created a pocket. And then I use the 1/8 inch score tape. I want it as thin as possible for the sides here. And then I put my cute little sunshine girl here all colored up. And then when you pull this part out, this part is cut at, I believe, 2 inches. So the 2 inches fits right in there perfectly. And then I just stamped it with a sentiment from here. It says, wishing you bright, sunshiny days. And then it fits just like that. And this could be easily tied onto a gift. Or you can stuff money in there, or however you want to do it. But there you go. And that's my project share. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Cricut Heart.